Migrating to Flow Network Security Next Gen provides access to a range of enhanced features and capabilities designed to streamline security operations and improve your overall security posture. Here's what's been improved. With the Bring Your Own category model, you are no longer restricted to using app type or app tier categories and can assign any category you choose. You can also assign multiple security policies to a single VM for more granular control and simplified policy management. With advanced features, now you can draft, version, and clone policies. The user interface now has advanced filters, enhanced search, and an entity-focused visualization experience. The new architecture is built for superior scalability, performance, and functionality compared to the previous generation. We've also introduced new RBAC roles, allowing administrators to grant view-only access to different teams like help desk, security operations, or networking groups. Before we begin, here are a few qualifiers. Environments using legacy DR are not compatible. VMs protected by both FNS and legacy DR must be moved to a Prism Central-based DR plan before you can enable FNS Next Gen. First, enable Network Controller, which is part of Flow Virtual Networking. Within Prism Central, under Infrastructure, go to the Settings icon and then click Network Controller and Enable. Now under the Infrastructure dashboard, choose Security Policies. Then click on Migrate, Get Started, Next, and Migrate again. Now confirm and the migration will begin. Flow Next Gen Upgrade is dual stack, containing both the legacy FNS and the new FNS Next Gen architecture, which is necessary for the migration process. In a simulated mode, you can review how your existing security policies will be converted to the new Next Gen policy model. This allows you to confirm the changes before committing to the migration. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.